Hello and welcome to Ben's Ramblings. Today I have a family favorite recipe. This recipe gets made for almost every holiday. It's stuffed mushrooms. The mushrooms are stuffed with breadcrumbs, cheese, garlic, parsley, olive oil. It's a great recipe. It's easy to put together. And like I said, our family loves it. Okay, let's get started. We're going to start today with 15 mushrooms. These are decent sized mushrooms. They're not too small, and you can go even larger. These are white mushrooms, but you could do baby bellas. They've already been cleaned and the stems taken out and put aside because we're going to use the stems as part of the stuffing. We have 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley. If you don't have fresh, you could use dried. This is 9 cloves of garlic, finely minced. Half of a cup of grated cheese. I'm using Pecorino Romano, but you could use Parmesan or any other type of cheese that you like. This is our chopped stems from when we pulled them out of the mushrooms. And this is 2 cups of Italian seasoned breadcrumbs. You could use plain breadcrumbs if you'd like. And we're going to use some olive oil. Let's move the mushrooms out of the way and get started. First, we're going to add our breadcrumbs into the bowl, followed by our stems, our grated cheese. If you wanted to, you could leave the cheese out if you have somebody who doesn't care for grated cheese. Our garlic. And again, this is 9 cloves of garlic. If you like more, you could put more. If you like less, you could put less. And our parsley. Let's get this all stirred together. All right, and now we'll pour in the olive oil. And we're just gonna drizzle. We wanna make this a little bit wet. We don't wanna make it too wet because the mushroom stems are gonna break down and add some moisture. Let's give that a try and we'll see how it looks. All right, let's add a little more. It's still too dry. And I think just a little bit more. This is how we stuff the mushrooms. You take the mushroom, take the spoon, and that's it. All stuffed. You just want them filled over the top edge of the mushroom cap itself. While we're stuffing these, the oven is preheating to 350 degrees. And once these are all stuffed, we're just going to put them in until the tops turn brown. The mushrooms will have softened up a bit by then. Should only take 15 minutes or so. Okay, those are all done. If you'd like, you can just drizzle a little more olive oil on top. And we're going to throw these in the oven, 350 again, probably about 15 minutes, but we just want the tops to turn brown. Okay, they're all done. All right, let's give them a try. Oh, I love that garlic. If you're not a fan of garlic, you're definitely gonna have to cut down on the amount of garlic in these. But the top is crunchy and a little bit brown from the oven, but the rest of the filling is nice and moist. The mushrooms, nice and soft. Delicious. Please give the recipe a try. If you do and want to add a comment, please comment down below. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe and ring that bell.
Ding ding.
Have a good one. See you next time.